This is a channel called Mr. Nightmare that posts scary story YouTube videos and gets over 13 million views every single month on videos that are over 20 minutes long. Now, most of you already know that longer videos on YouTube make much more money in ad revenue. But just imagine if you plugged an affiliate link for a security system, how many sales you would get. It would be a lot. Now, here's a channel called Nightmare Junkie that gets nearly 1 million views every single month by posting these easy to generate AI YouTube shorts using this method that I will be showing you in this video. Now, here on the software that I'll be showing you guys in this video, you just select a topic, which in this case is scary story, then select a narrator, then select the AI generated image type right there, hit on generate. It makes us our photos right here. I'm gonna press on next, hit on generate. Then I'm gonna go ahead and select music. Let's select scary music, select a bunch of other settings, hit on generate. And now in just a couple of seconds, I made a YouTube short for a channel based on scary videos. But that's not the only incredible thing that you can just make these shorts and get 1 million views a month. When you add this fact, it makes it even better. When uploading your YouTube short, if you go over to video elements right here, you can actually add a related video, meaning your long form content can be placed as a little button on the YouTube short that people can press to be funneled into your long form content. So what this essentially means is you can post your long form scary videos and then generate these easy to make YouTube shorts, funnel those viewers into your long form content, get free views, and get free affiliate sales of a security system. Now, if you're allergic to free views, if you hate a potential way of making tons of money through affiliate link sales, then go watch any of these other videos on YouTube where people show you a harder, more complicated method where you get less views and less money. But if you want to find out how to use AI to generate this type of content, these types of shorts in seconds, then you will watch this video, because in this video I explain it all. Let's begin. Now, the first thing I like to use is TubeMagic. Why TubeMagic? Because it's a no-brainer YouTube AI software for any content creator. Look at this. A thumbnail generator, video ideas, video research, video scripts, warp upload. So many tools packed into just one AI software that you can try for $1 for an entire week with the link below. It does not hurt you to spend literally just $1 to try this out for an entire week. But first, let's start off with the warp upload tool right here. I can simply put in the URL of my video, or I can type in the content. So I'm going to type in a scary story YouTube short about a haunted house. And I'm going to hit on generate right here. And now, accessing videos with millions upon millions of views, TubeMagic is going to use AI to model the same viral metadata on those videos to replicate it for me. So now I have viral titles, description, and tags for my video just like this. Midnight terror, haunted house chills, ghosts inside exploring a cursed home. Right here, the description that I can use with viral keywords, and then my video tags right here. And I can just simply copy these for my video. In just seconds, I've accessed viral metadata, all thanks to AI. Now, let's say you want to make a scary story YouTube short based on an already existing event. Well, you can do that too. Right here, I have an article popped up that says, is there really a Superman curse? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the link to this article. Now, back on TubeMagic, I'm going to scroll down to the article to script tool, paste in the link, select the template as shorts, and hit on generate. And now it's going to make me a YouTube short script based off this article, based off already existing information. Have you ever heard of the legendary Superman curse? As the new documentary Superman premieres on HBO, it raises questions about this fascinating idea. Now I can just remove this part about the HBO. Many associate the curse with the tragic fate of actors who've donned the iconic cape. Christopher Reeve, the most famous Superman, faced a life-altering accident that left him paralyzed. Others, like George Reeves, the first Superman, faced mysterious circumstances surrounding his death. So now I've made myself that script, and you can use any of these tools on TubeMagic for just $1 for an entire week with the link below. This is a no-brainer tool that I recommend any content creator, and if you've asked anyone that's used TubeMagic whether they liked it or not, chances are it's changed their content game completely. So you can just try out TubeMagic for an entire week with the link below in the description. Now I'm going to show you guys how to make YouTube Shorts in seconds with AI. But first, let me tell you guys how much time you're really wasting by not using AI, by trying to make a short without AI completely. So right here, I'm gonna write my script, and if I'm having a creative block, this can take me hours. But let's say I, have some type of creative mind that can create a YouTube short. Now I'm gonna sit here and start writing this out. I moved into a cheap apartment. Now I wrote my YouTube short script, and you're gonna have creative blocks, so even this might take more than just a couple of minutes. It could take an hour sometimes to think of a scary story idea. But now I have to sit here and try to record this. I moved into a cheap apartment. First night, I heard scratching in the vents, figured it was rats. Second night, I heard whispering. Third night, I set up my phone to record. Next morning, I checked the footage. At 3:17, the vent cover slid open. Now that I have the audio recorded, I have to put it into a video editor and edit out any mistakes right here.
Cheap apartment. First night, I heard scratching in the vent. Apartment. First night, I heard scratches.
Now after this, I have to look for stock videos on the internet. Now let's say I don't have a subscription to some stock video website like Storyblocks. Now I'm gonna have to search for them. They might not even relate to my video. They might be bad stock videos, but I'm gonna be forced to use irrelevant stock footage anyways. Now I have my stock videos right here, and I have to edit it to my video. So I have to go through and just do all this right here, edit all this footage, make sure that it fits to my video, and then add it to the right audio. So I have to go through and do that all, edit this. This is just some irrelevant stock footage that I found that was close enough to what my video was talking about. Now after I did that, I have to add video effects. I have to add some vignette to make this creepy because it's not really creepy looking footage. I have to scroll down to here. Let's do some vignette, add that to that video right there, make it look a little bit creepy. I'm doing a lot of unnecessary work that I shouldn't be having to do. Now after I did that, I still have to add scary music. I still have to go through and auto subtitle my entire video, listen to it, and type it all out. This is a complete waste of time when I can just do it in seconds with AI. Now we're gonna go ahead and use this AI software called VidAI, which will be linked below. But right here on VidAI, I'm gonna press on new project, press on either faceless short, fake text, Reddit story, auto caption, would you rather, split screen, and eventually they're adding long form content. But right now I'm gonna press on faceless short, and I'm gonna go to popular topic and select on scary story. And now I can select my narrator voice right here.
The people who are crazy enough to think they can change the world.
Adam Stone sounds, scary enough for a video like this. Now I can select an AI generated image, gameplay video, or viral video. But I recommend going to AI generated image and pressing on cinematic. I think that's the closest to making a scary video. Now I'm gonna press on generate content. Now it's made me all my images for my short, and if I don't like any of these images, I can simply press on regenerate. But there's another option that I like to personally use to just spicing up my shorts. Using Midjourney, which is a bot on the Discord app, you can actually generate images. Now, I think it's like $10 for 200 images a month, which in my opinion is a really, really good deal. But right here, all I have to simply do is type in /imagine, and I can type in a terrifying monster hand reaching out from the darkness. Photorealistic horror movie theme styled, and then I'm gonna do double hyphen AR and then 9:16 for the YouTube Shorts aspect ratio. AR stands for aspect ratio. And now I'm gonna hit on generate right here, and Midjourney will make me 4 images that I can pick from to use for this video. And there we go, 1, 2, 3, 4. I can pick whichever one I like the most. I like the 4th one, so I'm gonna do upscale 4 for that one right there. Press on it, press on right click, and then save this image. Now back on VidAI, all I have to do is press on upload image and select my file that I made in Midjourney and press on upload. Now there we go, we have that image and it looks really, really nice as a hook. It's something interesting. I'm gonna press on next right here, press on generate. Now I can go ahead and select background music. So they have a bunch of options right here. Let's listen to Mystery 1 and Mystery 2. I personally like mystery one more, so I'm going to select that one. Then I'm going to select on any more options that I have right here. Like for example, I like to choose one word for the captions because I think it looks just a little bit cleaner. I'm going to make the font size a little bit bigger just like that. Change it to, let's say, red because that's more creepier. Then I press on generate. And that's literally all it took for me to make my YouTube short, rather than sitting there trying to make everything from scratch, record, edit, etc. That's how fast it took me to make that short. Now I'll show you guys the result in just a second, but I actually want to invite you guys to our completely free live training that we will be hosting by pressing on the link in the description below. It's a completely free training where we'll be showing you how to 10x the growth on your YouTube channel using AI. Now we've done live trainings like this before, but we won't be doing them for much longer, but you can secure your spot right now while the time is limited by pressing on the link in the description below for a completely free live training, and join us. We'll have a live chat and I'll talk to you guys directly, showing you guys how to 10x your growth. So join us for our live training, and here's the finished result of that short.
In a quiet town, a chilling legend whispers through the streets. They say a figure roams these dark alleys, searching for something lost. Locals speak of strange sounds echoing in the night. One night, a brave soul decided to investigate.
Now let's go ahead and make another YouTube short just to show you guys how easy this can be. So I'm gonna press on new project, faceless short, popular topic, scary story, Adam Stone, cinematic, hit on generate content. I'm literally doing this in seconds. Here's all my pictures right here. I'm gonna press on next, hit on generate. Select the background music as mystery one, select one word, change it to red right here for the font, raise it up just a little bit more, hit on generate, and literally that's all it took for me to make a short. Once I've expedited the process, once I understand what I want in my short, it literally took me little to no time. And I'll show you guys the result in just a moment, but I've actually put this AI software to the test, and I tried making 30 YouTube shorts in less than an hour for an entire month of content for a YouTube Shorts channel in a different video. I'll have that up right on the screen in just a moment, but let me first show you guys the result of this short.
In a quiet town, shadows whispered secrets at night. One evening, a girl named Emma heard a strange noise. Curiosity pulled her outside despite the chilling wind. The sound grew louder, echoing through the empty streets. Suddenly, she spotted a shadow darting between the trees.
Now, I've just made a high-quality YouTube short just like Nightmare Junkie does that gets 1 million views every single month. And if you guys want to see me put this AI software to the test to see if I can make an entire month worth of videos in just 1 hour, then check out this video right here. Do I manage to prove the theory right that you can make an entire month of YouTube shorts in less than an hour? Well, there's no way to know unless you watch this video right here.